Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive Premium tutorial about retro television creation inside Substance Designer. Now we are done with these front panels here. Now what we are going to do is that we will create the front screen frame in our Substance Designer, and we'll create this part of the frame. So what I will do is that I will just create a blend node here first, give it a space, and what I will do here is that I will just use add so I can see everything, and then I will decide if I want to change the blend mode later on, the blending mode. So let's put a shape here, and I will put a gradient map here. So I will choose gradient linear 1. Instead of shape, I will use the gradient axle. Okay, so I can control the gradient here. So what I want is that I just want to keep it straight flat. So both of these I will keep it at 0.5 on the x-axis. So first let me change the y-axis here, so I will just move this up. So now I will change. Okay, so I'm pretty close here to make this part. I will change this to both of them to same value. Okay, 0.5 and 0.5. So in that case they both will be in the middle. So now I only have to control the y-axis, and that's what I want. So the reason I'm using the gradient here, first of all, the gradient axle here I'm using so that I can control the gradient. Plus I want to create a shape with a gradient based edges. So I will add a transform here and change it to like tiling mode to no tiling. And then I will reduce the size of it. And what I will do here is that I will just make a copy of it. Or first let's blend, let's put it in the blend. Okay, and then what I will do is that just move it down and copy paste this transform and put it in the foreground. So in this way the gradient axle will remain same, but it will have two transforms. So I will change this to max. Okay, but the top one, the bottom one or top one, I can rotate it. Okay, and one thing I have to do here is that, okay, I have to change the size, but first let's see which looks better. So if I will use multiply, it will look like this, but later on I will change it to maximum value because I want the maximum value, but for now I will keep it multiply. Let's put it up here. And then what I will do here is that I will make another blend node here. And I will put this blend node on the foreground. And I will make another transform out of this blend and put it in the background. And use multiply as well here. And I will take this one, rotate it all the way just like this. You can see I have this corner here. Okay, but it should be max. Okay, but for the max, min, I think min will be fine. Yeah, min, not max. So it should be min, so I can have this sharp edges on the corner. It looks like a corner, so it will, if I will add it in my blend mode, so it will create a frame like look. I can create the shape and then I can use a bevel node, but bevel not create some like it will, I won't be able to control the edges as I can control here. So bevel is good, but the result will be not that perfect as I will get it from this sort of arrangement. So if I want to create frames or beveled edges, I usually go with this like sort of a method. Now I will add it here. And first of all, I'm using add amount or like add blending node over here. So I will add a transform. Okay. Transform here with no tiling. Sorry, absolute no tiling. And I can reduce the size of it. And I will put it wherever I want on the frame, but I have to just follow the guide over here, the like the guide which I place in the Photoshop of this television. It will guide me where the frame should go. I will use subtract blending node, not add, and this is where I want to put it. So I'm just filtering it, just like sorry, tracing it. So I'm just trying to put it in the same area, like area where it is in the picture. So that's what I'm trying to do here. You can see. Okay, this is how I will get the edges here. Just have to make it perfect size. But if you'll go check on the 3D view, it should match the like the 3D view should not look too offsetted. It should go like it should look natural. So you have to also look at the 3D view. Just don't blindly follow the guide, because the guide can be a little different, because it's not a complete orthographic view of the television. It's a perspective view, so it can be tricky. So you have to keep on checking your 3D view as well, if it is going fine or not. So just I'm trying to fix this part here. So I'm just looking around. Okay, now what I can do is that I can go to my Excel and try to play with the Excel here of the gradient. So what this will do is that this will allow me to have my frame to be more deeper or less deeper. It's like just like that. So this is basically very helpful when you create like frame with the gradient axle and then use this method. So this is what I'm like getting it here. So this is how your result is like visible basically. I'm trying to adjust this. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's move this apart. Mm, I look around here. So we have created this frame, and I hope you have learned something in this video, like how to create a frame and all those things. So thanks a lot everyone for becoming member of my premium membership plan, and thanks a lot for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications I'm about to create, and I will be uploading those soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. So guys, I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.